Welcome back to Smoking Bears, and today we're outside the bear cave. Beautiful South Carolina weather. It's hot as all get out right now. But anyway, I've got this mail call. I ordered these Uncle Steve shakes. He's really huge in the YouTube community, and I just want to show my appreciation and thanks Uncle Steve. I'll put his link down below. Anyway, I don't know which one to try first, so I said, let me do chicken wings. I got chicken wings set up. I got 3 wings per each flavor, so me and the Cubs can try them out and see which one we like better. That'll be coming up. I got the Vortex heated up. Thank you, Johnny Maggs and the barbecue broker from Pit Life Barbecue for recommending that we use the Vortex. And shoot, let me get into this. Cheers. All right, so first up we have the Uncle Steve's Spicier or Spicy R. Just throwing that on right here. Flip them over. Next, I'm going to do the Gator Shake. That'll go on these ones here. I got the kettle or the Vortex fired up. It's over 400 degrees right now, so these ought to be nice and crispy. Next is going to be the original, and that'll go on these guys right here. Let's just go ahead and give a quick once over. Next will be the thick meat. That'll go on these fellows right here, just hanging out. Ooh, that's a good black pepper rub. It's gonna be a good one. And who doesn't love to say they had Uncle Steve's thick meat? Well, I wouldn't love to say. All right, and then the last one's the sweet and spicy R. We'll put that on these 4 because I had 1 extra. Get them on the cooker. Okay, so now you got to see the Vortex. We're going to go ahead and put the sweet and spicy R right here. Bring them down like this. Then we'll come in with Uncle Steve's thick meat. Yes, I said thick meat, Uncle Steve. Let's go right there. Now we're going to come in with the original. Then the Gator Shake. Alright, walk her down. Alright guys, so there we are. I temp these out, they're about 190, 195. So let's go with the thick meat here. Alright. Ooh, that's hot. Now we're going to come back with the original this way. Okay. And then we'll go with the Gator Shake going this way. And then we'll do the Spicy R over here. I'm trying to keep these separate because I might have messed them up. And then the sweet and spicy we're going to go over here. My camera lady is hiding in the shade. Alright, let's go ahead and do a taste test. Alright guys, so we're going to do the taste test. I'd already tried some and I'm telling you what, holy cow. So Pey, let's start with the Uncle Steve's thick meat. It is a black pepper kind of heavier rub. If you're looking for like a SPG, heavier on the P, I think that's it. I really like that one.
Mm-hmm.
What's your doc?
Yeah, it is a good SPG. Like a blackening rub. It's a good blackening rub too.
Okay. Alright. Now let's try the original. The Vortex did a wonderful job on crisping these up. That's a good basic rub, like a good all-purpose. I can see why they put it on popcorn. It's got a little bit of salty note.
Yeah.
Not too much, just enough to make your palate water. What do you think?
Yeah, it is a good all-purpose rub. It has good color that it adds.
Mm-hmm. Be a good base layer for heavier meats.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now let's try the Gator Shake. And this, I'm guessing, is going to be like a Cajun.
What about the color?
Oh, I like that one. Yeah, it's mild, so it's not real hot and spicy. I like that. It's going to be perfect on vegetables.
Yeah.
All right, so let's try the spicier. This one that started earlier. We had to let these cool down a little bit, but they come right off the pit.
Right off the bat, you can tell that there's some type of like lemon pepper, like a zest to it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a good citrus in there.
Mm-hmm. That complements you.
Makes you want to keep eating more. Oh, there's the heat. I'm getting it coming in the back end. Ooh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's some good stuff right there. All right. We're just plowing right along. Let's get into this sweet and spicy R. So it's supposed to be the same as the spicy R, but a little sweeter. I didn't go as heavy on the seasoning with this one. Got your nose sniffing off.
A little bit. This one
The
has...
cayenne.
It's almost like a molasses or a honey glaze.
Mm-hmm. It definitely got the sweet element in there.
That's right off the bat.
And then nicely balances that heat, so it gets you kind of going, ooh, that ain't so bad, and then, ooh, creeps up in the background. So what do you think?
They're good. I didn't get much heat on this one.
You did what?
I didn't get much heat.
Yeah, I didn't go as heavy. But, man, I like these. Uncle Steve, great job. Everybody go check them out. That's Smoking Bears. We're out. Have a great one, everybody.
Macaroni stew.
Mild, so it's not real hot. Shit. All right, Pey. Now that you've helped smash the both trays, what's your favorite?
Sweet and spicy.
The sweet and spicy R.